reviendra. Putain, c'est quoi ça?
Oh shit. Clementine.
Who's this?
She's one of the new people. She was with Carlos and Sarah. And
Sarah? I wish she'd stayed gone.
she's had a hard time, Becca.
So have we. We're not sitting on the ground like babies.
Go on inside. Bonnie's waiting.
Hey, I guess you're starting your day with me. We're loading magazines.
We load magazines.
Well, that's it. You got it.
Au moins, ça permet d'apprendre l'anglais, c'est pas mal.
I suppose
We
I
load
owed you an
magazines.
apology. I wasn't truthful.
Maintenant, vous saurez
when I
dire
came
chargeur de
down south
munitions.
lodge, and I
We
was shown
load
a kindness
magazines.
I never would have expected from a group of strangers.
We load
Now
magazines.
folks are dead, and I can't help but feel I'm to blame.
We
The plan
load
was for no one to
magazines.
get hurt. I truly believe that was the intent.
Carver's the one who pulled the trigger. He's to blame.
Yeah, but I surely didn't help matters. I thought if I was the one that found everyone, I could control it. Keep everyone safe. But that ain't how it went. I apologize. Which don't account for much, but it's all I can offer right now. How was your first night in the yard? I know it ain't so comfortable, but it's safe. Which is more than I can say about a lot of places out there.
I was hungry.
They didn't feed you? Bill said you'd eat every night.
I haven't eaten since yesterday.
I don't have anything. I'm sorry. I was supposed to go. When Luke and Carlos and all them left, I was planning on leaving too. When Luke approached me about it, I thought he was crazy. I mean, we're safe here. We got power, we got food.
Why didn't you? Leave, I mean.
If I'm being honest, I guess I chickened out. I
Ça
justified
fait
not going by telling myself it's easier to try and change something that's broken than start all over. Take this situation with the herd. That's the type of thing that rips a community apart. He keeps things in line. He's got a lot of this stuff figured out. I don't know.
Des
I
hordes.
guess I just
C'est
wanted
quoi
to
ça,
be
des
somewhere
hordes?
comfortable for a while.
Herds have come through before?
Yeah, it's happened a few times. We've always come out on the other end all right. It's something I think about whenever I consider leaving. I mean, it ain't easy keeping a group this big fed and protected. I don't envy that position. Figured that'd make anyone a little stressed. I'm not defending what he did. That was... I'm alive because of him. That's just a fact.
I think he's crazy.
He's overstressed.
It's easier to just say crazy.
Luke had ideas about how things should go, but they didn't line up with what Bill was thinking. They butted heads, and Rebecca started showing, and that only made things worse. Maybe Luke was right about him. I wish he was around, but I just hope he's safe.
Hey, Bonnie, is that girl down there? I need to come get her.
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, I'll be right over.
I'm sure it's fine. Oh, almost forgot. I grabbed this for you. Huh? What do you think? I found it at the lodge y'all were
Splendide.
at.
Loul.
It might be for skiing.
Qu'est-ce qu'on lui dit? Allez, je vais être gentil. Elle est chouette.
It's cool. I like it.
Well, I'm glad. I thought it was cute.
J'ai jamais rien vu d'aussi moche.
You better watch yourself. I
Faudra
think
quand même
some
que tu
folks
le
might
saches.
be jealous of that cool jacket of yours.
Oh, there you are. What's with the ugly jacket?
Tavia,
What?
never mind. I'll see you later, Clementine.
Come on. Follow me. Come on. stay in here for a minute. I'm gonna radio down and find out what you're doing. Don't touch anything.
Hey,
Oh putain, Sarah, mais mon Dieu. Oh, allez, un petit câlinou.
wanna
Un
hug?
petit câlinou.
Okay, well, I owe you one
Ah, mais elle
for
veut pas en
lately.
plus.
You might not know it's coming though, but I could just sneak up on you when you're not expecting it.
Un câlinou
Never
surprise.
hit me before. Even when I was really bad. He never hit me.
You can't control the pain.
You can kind of control it sometimes, how much it hurts. It takes practice.
Really? I don't want to practice that.
I don't think anyone does.
Well, thanks for trying to help. I don't know why people have to be so mean. Like, even when I'm really mad, I still don't want to hurt anyone.
Don't mess this up.
Yeah, I get it.
Reggie's in charge here, okay? Listen to him carefully.
Yep, no problem, Tavia. Okay, we gotta do a good job, guys. The camp is counting on us. Come on, I'll show you what to do. It's super easy. Oh, and just so you know, Bill yelled at me this morning for what you were doing last night. I'm not mad, but please, please just listen to me today. I'm on, like, the thinnest ice with that guy. Pick up a pair of those shears.
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que... Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire
Okay,
là
so we're
encore? Je
picking
sens que ça va
these berries,
m'énerver.
right? Just pick
J'ai
them,
pas envie de
put them
recueillir
in
des
the basket,
baies
simple.
ou de les cueillir.
While you're at it, if you see any dead branches, take those shears and cut them off and stack them neatly for composting.
Je suis pas
Got it?
jardinier.
Hey, so, is she gonna be okay? 'Cause what happened down there? That was straight fucked up. I don't want her freaking out and getting me in trouble.
I'll take care of her. You don't have to worry.
Good, good. 'Cause I'm awful at that stuff. Look, Bill's had it out for me ever since I helped those guys escape, so I gotta concentrate on my work. That was awkward. I won't do that again. I'm gonna go work now.
Putain, ils vont nous obliger à faire ça là. Ouais, quoique je sais pas. Peut-être pas. L'autre, elle est en mode dépression totale, hein, la Sarah. On peut pas faire. Attends, qu'est-ce que. Voilà, aider Sarah, voilà. Parce que la pauvre, quand même.
Hey,
Je veux bien qu'on soit méchant, mais il y a des
here,
limites.
watch me.
On va lui montrer comment on fait. Tu vois? Tu prends ta pince et tu coupes une branche. C'est comme ça que ça se passe. Bien joué!
Hard, Sarah.
I know. I'm just afraid I'll make a mistake.
It won't be the end of the world if you do. Just keep going.
Ah, shit.
Oh no.
Voilà, c'est qui
You
c'est?
didn't do any of your
C'est
work,
Calver?
Just checking
Ah
in.
oui.
See how the new girls are working out. Reggie,
Yeah, Bill. Hey.
what the fuck happened in here?
Look, Bill. they're
What
new,
the fuck
and me with
happened
my
here?
arm, it's just
Tell
not
me.
so easy. I have one arm.
Shut up,
so-
shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Shut up, shut
You
up.
better have an
Shut the
explanation
fuck
for
up.
this. And I
Les dialogues
mean
sont pas
that.
mal quand même. Hein.
Bill, please, just...
Sounds like you were about to give me an excuse when I asked for an explanation.
Je vais lui
We'll get it done.
dire.
Just give us some more time.
J'hésite.
Time's up, Reggie. You had a task. You didn't
Allez,
get
c'est.
it done.
Je vais.
Looks to me like
Allez,
you
c'est de ma
failed.
faute, allez.
It was my
J'ai
fault.
hésité, hein.
I didn't show Sarah well enough. I guess.
J'ai hésité, mais
No,
bon.
this ain't your fault.
La
We
petite
talked
Sarah,
about this, Reggie.
on va essayer de la prendre sous notre
But you
aile.
just don't get it, do you?
Get what?
Why don't you girls wait outside? Reggie and I have a few things to talk about.
On va discuter un peu tous les deux.
Thanks for the help, girls.
What's wrong, Sarah?
Je sens qu'elle va se jeter du toit, ça va être comique encore. Ça va être cocasse.
Are you okay?
I gave you plenty of chances.
Bill! No!
Ah, il va tomber du toit.
No! Please!
Faut l'aider là. Ah putain, on peut rien faire, nom de Dieu, dans ce con de jeu.
Incompetence.
On peut rien
Puts us
faire.
all at risk, and it won't be
C'est relou.
tolerated. You think about that the next time you're asked to do something. Get downstairs. Bonnie's got some stuff for you to do. Go!
Ça m'énerve. J'ai pas assez l'impression d'avoir la maîtrise sur le personnage, quoi.
So, they want you to
Putain.
run some supplies out to the guys
Tu
working
vis
at the
trop les
extension.
événements, tu ne les
Real
joues
simple,
pas, bordel.
just take this over to 'em. That jacket looks real nice. I don't know what Tavia's talking about. What's wrong? Clem? You alright?
Mais oui, ça
Look
va.
like you've
Allez,
seen a ghost.
on va dire la vérité.
Reggie's dead.
What? What are you talking about?
Carver killed him. He pushed him off the roof.
Maybe it was just an accident.
Loul. Un accident.
Listen to me. Take this stuff out to those guys and come straight back. Just be safe, okay? Now ain't the time to be calling attention to yourself.
Ils sont tous sous l'emprise
I need to go find out what
de
happened.
Bill Calver. Va falloir lui régler son compte vite fait.
Hey, Troy, Clem's just gonna take them boys some nails.
All right.
Go on.
Billy, on va se retrouver tous les deux.
Hey, that ain't your concern. Get that stuff over to them boys. Just follow them cables.
Ah mais sans déconner, ça fait au moins 10 ou 15 minutes que je ne joue pas là. Sérieux quoi. Je comprends pas ce que je fous ici quoi. Sans déconner, ça fait 15 minutes que je joue pas quoi. C'est quand même incroyable. J'en peux plus là.
ain't nobody's laborer. Fuck that. Let them do this shit themselves if it's so goddamn important.
Get your fucking hands off me,
You ain't
man.
gonna force me to do this bullshit.
I said get your hands off me.
Or what? You gonna go tell on me?
I'm trying to help you, asshole.
Yeah, this is a real help. Why don't you just worry about yourself?
Reggie's dead. Carver killed him.
What? You sure? Or did you...
Putain, cette saccade.
Fuck! Grab something!
Bande de cons. Loul. Loul. Deux petites pichenettes sur la tête. Bim, bim. Keblo! Keblo! Ça doit faire mal. Oh, attention, à coup de massue dans la tête. Ah non, dans les jambes. Il a dû le sentir passer, celui-là. ouais, c'est Troy qui nous a sauvés.
Get out of there, come on. Make me save your ass.
C'est pas ça qui te sauvera, mon petit Troy.
Oh, thank God, you're okay.
All right, enough mushy shit. You get back inside right fucking now. I'm sure they got shit for you to do in there. Now! Think I'm fucking around? Now I gotta sit down here and babysit you assholes. Can't do a simple fucking patch job without me here cracking the whip?
Incroyable, on peut jouer. Ah non, c'est fini.
Stop! Hey, it's me.
Luke!
Yes. Man, bit the hell out of me. I think you drew blood. Come all this way. This is the welcome I get.
Moi je le frappe.
Hey,
Loul.
what was that for?
You scared me.
C'était amical.
I'm sorry about that.
And it's about time you got here.
You have any idea how hard this was? All right, listen, we ain't got much time. Okay, I followed y'all here best I could. Haven't had a night's rest since y'all got nabbed. And, well, that's the first chance I got to talk to somebody. They're everywhere. Okay, they got guards watching everything. Shh, shh. There's a herd of lurkers just south of us. It's bigger than I ever seen around these parts.
Carver mentioned that. Said he hopes it passes us.
Yeah, I heard folks talking about that, but that ain't so. Okay, it's gonna hit this place. I know it is. Now, I don't know when, but it's coming and it's gonna be soon. See, I've been looking for places to get y'all free, but I haven't been able to find anything yet.
J'hésite.
Plugged up all the holes we used when we got out.
Are you feeling okay?
No, I mean, yes. Sorry. I just could use some sleep, you know. Hard to rest when you think a lurker's about to get the jump on you at any moment. But yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, don't worry about me.
It seems dangerous.
Well, the whole situation's dangerous, but, well, we're in it now. That's what we got. We just need a plan. And a way to get you and everyone.
Luke!
Oh, sorry, shit. Okay, Troy ain't gonna like you being late. Listen, Clem, I need you to meet me here tomorrow about this time. Because I need you to get me one of those radios, okay? Do you think you can do that? Just one of those walkie-talkies. I just need to be able to tell y'all what's going on with them guards. You know, I'll figure out the schedule the patrols are on. I mean, they're all over the place, but I can keep an eye on them for y'all from out here. Look, we ain't gonna be able to shoot.
Comment ça me gonfler celui-là?
Well, you just gotta be smart. Okay, we got a plan.
Where do I get one?
I think they keep them in the stockroom. I ain't completely sure, though. Just keep your eyes out for the charging station. Now, they put most of them back on there at night. Remember, you meet me here tomorrow. I'll try and be here around this time, but if I ain't, just wait as long as you can, because I really need one of those radios. And just let everybody know I'm all right, okay? I'm worried they,
Clementine, get out where I can see you.
Go on, get out of here.
J'ai pas tout compris à ce qu'il m'a dit celui-là.
The hell were you doing? Huh? Answer me.
I was looking at comics. There's a whole store full of them.
Yeah? No shit. You best not dawdle, girlie. Pull something like that again and you'll be meeting the back of my hand. Bill Radio wants a word with you up in his office. So get on up there, now.
Dude, you better go up and see Bill. He doesn't like to wait. So, you should probably go.
Putain, avec tout ce qu'elle aura vu et tout ce qu'elle aura subi, la gamine, sans déconner, c'est une véritable force de la nature quand même, hein, Clémentine.
She's a strong woman, surrounded by weak men. I ain't letting my kid get raised around that. Get in here.
Alvin? Alvin!
He passed out hours ago. He can't hear nothing. No point in making a racket.
T'es une brute pas gentille.
You're a bully.
Come again?
You're just a bully. I know it wasn't a fair fight.
Yeah, I suppose it wasn't. But life ain't fair most of the time. I wouldn't be so concerned about his well-being if I were you. Not with you being so close to the fire yourself. Now.
Calvaire est un personnage plutôt intéressant quand même, ça va.
You make sure you tell me the truth when
Ça
you're
rattrape un
sitting
petit peu le reste.
and you won't end up over in that chair. Now, you might not believe this after what happened earlier, but I liked Reggie. He was a funny guy. He kept things light. You need folks like that. It's easy to let depression sink in during times like this. But he was weak. And I don't mean just because he was maimed. That wasn't his problem. He was weak of will and weak of character. And we can't have that around here. Not anymore. Not with what we got at stake.
Loul. Je vais lui dire que je comprends. Ouais.
I understand.
On va aller dans
I
son
knew you were a
sens.
smart girl. You see, Reggie put us at risk with his incompetence.
Faut être rusé.
He's had a string of screw-ups lately. Killing one in order
Faut la
to
jouer
save millions is part of
finaude.
survival. It's one of the tough decisions that a weaker person couldn't make. It's why it falls to people like us to lead them to safety. Do you understand? Well, I wish it was different, I do. But they are weak, and we are strong. That's why it's our responsibility to shepherd the
T'as
flock,
raison.
to keep them
Il a
safe.
tout compris.
It's their nature to follow, not to lead.
I know. I have to do everything for them. It's exhausting.
Of course it is. But that's the role you're meant to play. And we're more alike than you think. There's no way you could have lasted this long otherwise. I realized it back in that cabin. You were scared. But you looked me straight in the eye. Kept your nerve. That's what we need. If we're gonna get through this.
Certes.
The next generation has
Mais
to be
c'était
stronger
juste
than the
une
last.
seule fois au chalet.
Kids like you, raised the right way. The way my child will be raised. It ain't this hurt that keeps me up at night. We can handle that. It's not knowing if I got anyone to hand all this off to. But I ain't worried about that anymore.
I'll help you. Whatever you need. I know I'm just a kid, but I'll do my best.
Well, that's all I can ask. All right, now.
Bill, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
The loading bay door is jacked. Troy really knocked the shit out of it.
How bad is it?
Rails are tweaked so it won't shut all the way. I don't think it's an emergency or anything, but it's something Stan should take a look at when he can.
I'll get him on it. Out. That fucking idiot. Heard on its way, and he puts a goddamn ding in my door. Go on back out to the yard. It's almost supper time.
Ce qui me fait peur, c'est que je suis vraiment pas sûr que le jeu comprenne ma ruse. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? C'est que du coup, quand je dis que j'accepte d'être avec Calvaire là, j'ai peur que le machin il me prenne vraiment au sérieux et que je puisse pas faire marche arrière. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Alors qu'en fait c'est une ruse. Mais pour le jeu c'est peut-être réel. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Je risque donc de me mettre dans la merde.
We just gotta figure out a way to draw him to us. Your friend here wants to get us killed by lurkers before Bill can do it. What is it with you? That's what it sounds like to me.
You know that's not what he's saying, but it does sound dangerous.
This shit is all dangerous.
Maybe Luke could
On
help
va leur parler de Luc.
outside. He wants a radio to help keep an eye on the
Vous
guard.
voyez ce que je veux dire? Ça m'étonnerait qu'on puisse jouer sur les deux plans, quoi. Je vois pas comment le jeu il peut prendre en compte mes réponses, quoi. C'est un petit peu ça le problème.
If Luke can tell us what's going on with the guards, we can use that to pick a good time to escape.
That seems reasonable.
Who knows when that'll be? There was a girl back at Crawford that used church bells to send walkers all over the city. We just need something really loud.
The PA system Carver is always using is quite loud.
There's some speakers outside the building, pointed toward the parking lot. I saw them when we were walking out to the work. Troy's always standing next to one of them.
I saw the controls. They're in Carver's office.
She's right. It's all controlled in Bill's office. There's a switch in there that'll turn them on.
How do you know that?
I used to make a lot of the announcements back in the day. I had it flipped on once. Luckily, there wasn't much around at the time to hear it. It was plenty loud, though.
That's perfect. We just gotta get into his office. Why didn't you say something sooner?
'Cause it doesn't change anything. This isn't a discussion about how to do it. It's a discussion about whether it's stupid. And it's still stupid. The sensible thing is to get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
You're real difficult to deal with sometimes.
Kenny, no, that's all right. You ain't exactly a peach either.
We need to get out of here soon, and the herd is right there. I'd rather take my chances with them than Carver.
Atta girl.
Look, it doesn't have to be mutually exclusive. Getting Luke the radio is helpful whatever we end up doing. It doesn't hurt to have more information.
You know what? Fine. I can get behind that. Okay, so we get that turd a radio. He keeps us posted on the herd's movement. We fire up the PA thing and bring the walkers to roll over this place.
And then what?
Get some guns and shoot our way out. I don't know. Whatever we can. We improvise.
Then that's not a plan. You don't plan to improvise.
I figured out what your problem is. You don't think this stuff through. If the end of the plan is just to stroll through a herd of walkers, then you should know from the jump there's no way it's ever going to work.
Actually, I do it all the time.
C'est qui ça?
First words I ever hear you say, and it's just some crazy, stupid shit.
Hush. What do you mean exactly?
When you
Ah, c'est
cover
la fille
yourself
qui
with your
dormait.
smell, rub the walker guts all over you. They can't tell you from one of them.
Now I don't know who's crazier.
Trust me, I've walked through herds before. It works. You just have to keep calm and make sure you're good and covered.
You seem to know what you're talking about.
Lee figured that out.
What?
It's how we got out of the Marsh house. Lee covered me, and we walked right through.
Really? Holy shit. Oh, good one, Lee. All right, what are we waiting for? Let's get that stupid radio.
We still have to find a way to get in the stockroom.
I got a plan for that, too. Come on, kid. Gonna need your help.
Where the hell did she come from?
Putain, ce regard.
We just need to use the winch. She can just climb up from there. Then, just drop into one of the skylights over the stockroom. There are shelves and stuff for you to land on, so you probably won't fall to your death.
Great. That thing breaks all the time. Unless something's changed, it won't support much weight.
Comme par hasard.
Come on, up and at him.
Don't push her, Kenny.
She's our best
Allez, go.
bet. I mean that, Clem.
Now or never, I guess.
That's my girl. We gotta get that rope down. Mike, you wanna boost her up?
Come on, kid.
Ça m'aurait étonné, tiens, que ça soit pas nous.
Don't let go.
I got you.
Ils nous font faire tout le sale boulot, dites donc.